does low estrogen affect your skin? Let's talk about it. There's been numerous research studies that demonstrate how estrogen is a key factor in the skin's foundational proteins, particularly collagen and elastin. When estrogen levels are low, collagen production is diminished. Collagen provides the skin with support. Low collagen means more crepiness, sagging, and wrinkles. Collagen also influences skin hydration and thickness. Low estrogen decreases the production of elastin, which influences skin elasticity, leading to wrinkles as well as a decrease in the moisture of the skin. Studies have shown that estrogen replacement therapy actually increases skin moisture, thickness, and elasticity. Estrogen levels are low, particularly in menopause and postmenopause. Estrogen replacement therapy is a key way to improve your skin. For vaginal atrophy, specialized preparations of estrogen can be placed vaginally to thicken the tissue and increase lubrication. Systemic use of estrogen, either sublingually or transdermally, can be highly effective in improving skin thickness and elasticity. If you are not able to use estrogen because you're of estrogen-related cancers, consider supporting your hypothalamus, particularly to improve your overall hormonal balance, which will improve adrenal production of precursor hormones to help improve skin elasticity, thickness, and moisture. The majority of my patients and customers who use Genesis Gold regularly to optimize their hypothalamic function have found that their skin aging is much more gradual, and there's been a decrease in wrinkling, improved elasticity, and vaginal lubrication. Another very effective way to improve collagen, which improves skin thickness, decreases wrinkles, and improves elasticity, is the use of red light therapy. The red light therapy devices that I recommend to work well and are free of EMFs can be found in the links below. If you have any questions about low estrogen and the skin, please join us in our free Hormone Reboot Training. I'll see you in the next video.